Good morning, students. Today I'll take a new chapter for you, that is auxiliaries. Before I start the topic, you should understand what is an auxiliary. Auxiliaries are called as helping verbs. There are two types of auxiliary. One is simple auxiliary and the other is modal auxiliary. Simple auxiliary are in the form of be, have and do. Modal auxiliaries. What does modal auxiliary do? They tell us the ability, permission, possibility, obligation, etc. So I think you have got a brief idea about what is auxiliary. And then now I'll start with two auxiliary today. In today's lecture, I'll just cover two topics of auxiliary. One is can and could. Can where it can be applied and again could where it can be applied. That I will teach you today. Can, first one, it can be applied to show ability. For that I'll give an example sentence. I can read German. Here, what does the example tells you? That is, you are able to read German. Now next is, can is used to give permission or to ask permission. Can I go now? It is you are asking permission. You can go. That is you are giving permission to somebody else. The third thing is it can be used for showing possibility. Possibility means we are not that sure, but we are just assuming. She can be in the bus now. We are thinking that at this particular moment she will be in the bus. The next is can is used to for polite request. Polite request, you know what is the meaning of polite request? We are asking somebody for help, but in a very polite way. Can you teach this subject? I think you can understand this example very well. Next is can is used to show willingness. I can teach you. That is, you are ready to teach somebody else. Now the last is can be used for showing probability. Probability and possibility carries the same meaning. Probability means here also we are not that sure. We are just assuming. For example, if we say this sentence, it can be John because John has long hair. We are just thinking and assuming something. So I think that can is very clear for you where you can use can auxiliary. Now we will move to the second auxiliary, that is could. Was able to do in the past. Means past you were able to do something. Example, I could read French when I was in France. Yes, now you are not able to do. But you could do that. You had that ability to read French when you were in France. Again, possibility. Possibility example, I'll give you. He can be a good bike rider if he does some more practice. Means here it is a possibility. If you practice more, you could be the best bike rider. Now the third one, again, could can also be used for polite request. Could you open the door, please? You are asking somebody, you are requesting somebody to open the door. Now the last one is again could is used for suggestion, giving suggestion. You are giving suggestion to somebody else. In that case also you can use this modal auxiliary could. You could bring the bike to the college instead of the